Hello guys, welcome to Cooking Class 101. I am glad to be back, and you guys, thank you for the well wishes on the live that we just did. Alright, let's get started. I am making spicy shrimp stew. It almost looks like a gumbo, but not quite. But it's a stew type. So I have some kielbasa here that I sliced up, and I have a little oil in my pan. And I'm just going to fry these up so they become not crispy brown. Well, I'm just about to melt the plate. So we're just going to saute these up until they become brown. Okay? To the ends curl up. See how they're curling up a little bit? Probably need to turn this up a little more. And I'm using my Cuisinart 14-inch electric skillet. And I use a little oil in here. So guys, let's talk about this skillet, because I get so many questions about where did I get this skillet. I got it off of Amazon, and I don't know the price, but the description be in the box below, okay? Now this is my second skillet. The reason why I love this skillet so much, one is the circumference, the other one is the deepness. I think it's about a 3-inch in depth. You can cook anything in here like we cook in a one-pot meal. It is Teflon coated, so don't do like I did on the last one that I had forever and ever. Do not put metal utensils in here, because it will mess it up and scratch it up. It comes with the lid. Let me show you the lid here. It comes with a big lid like that. It covers it just like that. And it has a vent hole. See the vent hole? So the steam can come out of it. It has that. It has a handle. This is the lift that sits inside. It has the dowel that goes up to 450. Alright? I love this skillet. So what are you doing right now is trying to get all the oil a little bit off of it. But we're going to use this oil. So you just want to keep cooking it. So, yeah, see how this looking? That's kind of the way you want it to look. You know how you like those fried hot dogs? I do. Guys, I even like my hot dogs burnt. I don't know why, but I like them burnt. But this won't be burnt. So what I'm doing now, just a little oil that I put in here, and I did use lard because I haven't been cooking bacon like that. So I'm basically out of bacon grease. So this is what I use. It's right here. Okay? And I only use maybe about a tablespoon of that. So once this fry up to your liking, you're going to take it out. See that? You want it to look like that. Like that. You want some? It's hot. Don't burn yourself. Quit hot! Super puff. Tell me who says that. Okay. Turn them over if you can. So I always have a guest in here, and her name is Diva Diamond. So now I'm going to be cooking with Diva Diamond. Cooking with Diamond. And she hears her name and she's looking at me. Alright, let me take this out now. Actually, we put a paper towel on this. Paper towel on my paper plate. Don't like washing dishes. I'm taking this out. I'm just going to let the rest of the oil drain on the paper towel. Okay, let me take these out, guys. You don't need to watch this. I'm taking them out. There we go. Here I have 1 onion sliced, about 6 celery diced, and you know, you can't do nothing without the jalapenos, but these are serranos. So I'm going to saute these in here. I have 1 green bell pepper, half of a red and half of an orange. Okay, so I put all the veggies in here, like you saw me, and I'm just going to saute these up until everything becomes tender. If you feel that you want more onions in here, by all means, put more onions. Okay, my temperature went down. It's got to come back up. So. And then later, after these saute, I'm going to put garlic. Alright. I'll let the temperature come back up. And I'll just decide, look, right here you want to get like this. And this is where you want to come and add your garlic. I'm using my favorite white spoon to measure. I'm using 2 of those. And I did go back and add some black pepper, about a teaspoonful. You just want to stir it around. Heat up the garlic. And now you want to take it out. You want to do this first. I've got another step that I have to do. Alright, so I put oil back in the pan. And I am doing the okra. You said, why am I doing okra? Because I don't like slime. So I'm cooking some of it out. I won't be able to get it all out, but I will be able to get some of it out. And you know, when you put something cold into a skillet, the temperature does go down, especially when anything you cook. So now I have to wait till this come back up. So you guys, some of you seen how I did the okra. I just cook it down. See the slime? I don't like all that. So I'm going to let this cook down, and once it cooks down, I'll let you know how it looks. Alright, so here is my okra. I put it to the side. You don't see no slime. So I'm going to put them all back together. You don't see a little. Not much. See? Probably no slime. See that? Alright, so let's start putting this bad boy together. So we're going to take our, what do you think, sausage. Put it back in here. Stir this around. And we'll take all those good veggies. Put those back in here. Start. Stir this around. Just keep stirring it around. I'm going to take my better than bouillon. I'm probably going to put that much in here. And the reason why I didn't season my okra is because I was using better than bouillon. And I had the sausage in here. And now, I'm going to take my rotel. I have 4 cans, hot. Stir it around. And you said, well, where is the shrimp? It's on its way. And here it is. I season it with my spices. The chicken rub. And then I'm going to put the lid on it. Turn it down to 300. And let it cook for about 45 minutes. Alright guys, so I didn't let this cook for 45 minutes. Maybe about, I would say maybe about 20 to 25 minutes. Because you don't want your shrimp to be rubbery like a rubber band. Okay? Stirring it up, and this is where you're going to taste. I have some chicken bouillon on here. So I went back and I tasted. So I added another 1 spoon of chicken bouillon. You need a little more taste. You can add a little salt in here, but it's super duper good. Quita! Super pumped for this. Again, tell me who said that. Alright. So, let's plate it up. Alright guys, here is my spicy shrimp stew. Guys, this is so good. I can't even tell you. It make you want to slap a half-sister. If you don't have one, go find one to slap her, because this is this good. As usual, I use my spices. go to www.carlissspices.com and I use my chicken rub. Alright? See how good this look? Let me show you the plant. Look at that. You can't tell me you can't feed an army with that? They'll come back for more.